This baking soda trick can transform your performance in just 15 seconds. Want to give your best performance in bed and impress your wife? Then pay close attention. Go to the kitchen, grab a pinch of baking soda, and try this simple 15-second trick discovered by Harvard scientists. This method has been shown to boost blood flow by an incredible 342% in over 100,000 men. Forget pills and pumps that lead to frustration and embarrassment. This natural, discreet, and easy trick ensures you're ready whenever the moment strikes. Just use this 15-second hack in the shower and watch what happens next. Here's a secret: movie stars have relied on this trick for years. That's why they're always prepared. Not just for one round, but 2, 3, or even 4. And now you can be too. It works whether you're 25 or over 55. Say goodbye to doubts and hello to confidence every morning. But here's the real breakthrough. They've created something even better. A 100% natural solution that delivers an even more powerful effect, Nitrox Pro. Stock is extremely limited, so act fast. Click the first link in the description now before it's gone.
If you want to feel like a real man again, don't wait. This is the solution. I was skeptical at first, but after trying this natural formula, I couldn't believe the difference. Then I switched to Nitrox Pro, and it took things to a whole new level. More stamina, more power, and a renewed passion for life. I feel younger, stronger, and more alive than ever.